Hey, what's up, traders? It's Monday. Everybody hates Mondays, but I like them. Today was a good Monday. We caught gold, big rally to the upside, and we're using my gold scalping strategy and banked some pretty good profits. We had a move that shot up an Asian session. Is a bit of a fake out. You have to watch the Asian session for these fake moves, and then the market really showed its hand, and we rallied. So what I'm going to go for gold. I haven't really done much with silver lately. I think gold seems like it's really ready to make some moves, whereas silver was kind of in between there. But let's take a look at both of them. I think if we can catch gold on a nice dip moving forward, we could really square ourselves up to move to 1850, right? I don't see any reason why we wouldn't go there. So this is what we were looking at last night, and here we are. This is a 15-minute time frame. There's multiple different ways of looking at this, of course. And if you caught my video a few weeks ago, I talked about, well, not a few, it was last week. It seems like a few weeks ago, I was talking about these false breakouts here. False breakdown, false breakout. Here is another false breakdown, and this one's really proven to be a doozy, right? False breakdown typically leading to a breakout. So there we are there. And so let's zoom in a little bit, right? So there's multiple different ways you could look at this, multiple ways, right? So you could look at this as an accumulation a phase going on right here that we've broken out of, which I think would be super accurate. But without going into too much detail on that side of things, let's just look at this as a breakout higher. And this was where we ended, or last night, I guess it was, where the market kicked off and we had this nice retest. And so for the people that are in my gold scalping group, you can see this is a great potential. We have a lot of potential here to move higher. And when I'm doing this, I think it's super important. What I like to do is couple this with the RSI and look for divergences. This is pretty much reset itself here and kind of setting itself up for the next leg higher, accumulation, and then really this thing could look like it could pop at any minute. Of course, Asian session just started, and there it goes, right? So let's take a look at our moving averages, right? So this is what I'm looking for specifically with this 200 here. That's really, and this is on the 15-minute, bottomed out, and now this is going to really take us higher to that next level. The 5-minute, we kind of went sideways at the end of the day there. You can see we were having a bit of a consolidation here. I would really like to, I have a buy limit here, 1802-ish area. And I think I would like to see a retest here of this moving average before we went higher. And this is the hourly. Look at the 200. Really just holding this, supporting this next move higher. So this thing is ready to pop. I'm praying for a bit that we get a dip. I'd love to get an even better entry because I had taken my profits. This was our first play. All right, I had to pause, take a phone call, but you can see, let me get back to where my train of thought. I'm hoping for a move lower here to kind of retest this area, reset itself. This is why I like this Wilder's RSI. I think it's a good tool, especially when trying to determine potential following moves. But man, this looks like it just in a consolidation pattern before its next leg higher. So I am actually going to, I'm gonna put in a small little buy here myself. And I think this trade could play out. And so this is how I like to approach it when I am scalping gold, is watch for these moving averages and look for the separation here, maybe even a break higher before a move lower. And of course, putting a stop loss around for this position, 1807. And like I said, there's some big potential upside in this play. So let's zoom out now. And this is the first upside target, 1836, which also would coincide pretty nicely with these this cross here and these empty orders in the market that need to get filled. Here's a nice one up here, and then 1860. This bad boy has been sitting there for a long time. I've been watching it, and I think that's going to be the next big target and a place to watch here. Let's see. Keep that there. Boom. Right. Okay. So let's hope for a dip. There's a nice spot down here. I think 1800. If we got a dip to there, you better jump on it because we're going much higher. So hope you found this video helpful. Click the link below to get started. We're doing a group funding challenge starting March 1st, where we take a group of traders. I teach them, mentor you personally, help you develop a trading plan and put that plan in motion, put in the work, group training calls, one-on-ones, the whole shebang, and then the end results, you getting funded $100,000 if you can put in the work and then pass the challenge itself. So this was going to be super fun because I'm actually doing the challenge too. So if that interests you, click the link below, join our team of elite traders, and hope you're enjoying this the scalping, the strategy, these gold moves. And remember, and this is something I have to tell myself a lot of times, is stick with that trend. It's you want to, like, it looks like it's going to slow down here, maybe put a short in. Don't even try it, especially with gold. Trust me. So that being said, let's crush it this week, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.